Freelancers don't fail because of skill. They struggle because of time. Too many tasks. Too many deadlines. Too many revisions. But something changed. AI is now helping freelancers double their output without doubling their work hours. Today, let's break down how and how you can use it too. First, idea generation. Freelancers used to spend hours thinking before starting. Now AI helps generate ideas, angles, outlines, structures. You don't start from blank anymore. You start from draft. That alone cuts work time in half. Second, first drafts. Writers, marketers, script creators. AI produces fast first drafts. Not final, but usable. You edit. You refine. You personalize. Draft speed equals output speed. Third, client research. Understanding a client used to take hours. Reading websites. Studying competitors. Analyzing tone. AI now summarizes business profiles in minutes. Key points. Market position. Voice style. Research accelerated. Fourth, content repurposing. One piece of work can become many. AI extracts, quotes, clips, summaries, social posts. Freelancers deliver more assets from one project. Clients see more value. You earn more per job. Fifth, editing and polishing. Grammar fixes. Clarity improvements. Sentence tightening. AI handles first-pass editing. You focus on final quality. Less friction. Faster delivery. Sixth, design assistance. Non-design freelancers now create visuals. With AI image tools, thumbnails, post graphics, simple illustrations. No waiting for another contractor. You deliver complete packages. Seventh, audio and video help. AI now generates voiceovers, captions, subtitles, transcripts. Freelancers add media services without new skills. Output expands. Income expands. Eighth, proposal writing. Send client proposals takes time. AI drafts custom proposals fast. You adjust details. Send quicker. Faster proposals mean more bids sent. More bids mean more wins. Ninth, workflow automation. Freelancers repeat tasks every day. Emails, reports, summaries, follow-ups. AI templates automate repeat work. Build once. Reuse often. Important truth now. AI does not replace freelancers. It replaces slow workflows. Clients still want human judgment, human taste, human decisions. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. But there is a warning. Freelancers who ignore AI will feel slower every year. Freelancers who adopt AI will look faster every month. Speed becomes competitive advantage. Best practice, use AI for drafts, research, structure, repetition. Use yourself for strategy, taste, final decisions, client communication. That combination wins. Start simple. Pick one task you do repeatedly. Add AI to it. Measure time saved. Then expand. One workflow at a time. Freelancing is changing. Not shrinking, expanding. Those who learn AI-assisted workflows will produce more, earn more, stress less. Double your output without doubling your hours. That's the real advantage. Use AI wisely and work smarter, not longer. If you want practical AI tools to earn more, save time, and stay relevant, subscribe to BVAS Finance. No hype, just what works.